Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Happy New Year everybody. I think this is my first video of 2022. So it was my birthday a few days ago, so that's why I'm filming what I got for my birthday. I love watching these videos because I'm super nosy. I always want to know what people get, so here I am filming it because I love watching this video, so why not film it? Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I have a new filming schedule, so I'll be uploading videos every Wednesday. Leave a comment, leave a like, check out my Instagram, all that good stuff. Firstly, actually, I want to show some things that I got for Christmas that I'm like so excited about. Like, I haven't used them yet because like, I literally haven't had time. Firstly, I got air tags. Oh, you can't even see it. So I got a pack of air tags, which I cannot wait to use. They come in a pack of 4. And I just can't wait to put these on like my AirPods, my keys, especially my AirPods. I always lose my AirPods, I never know where they are. So I'm going to get a little AirPod case that you can put these in with the AirPod. Another thing that I wanted for ages, which is from the White Company. If you've watched my car video, I recently bought a new car. I'll leave it at the top there. And I love everything smelling good. This car scent diffuser, so you have the like essential oils and you essentially like put, I think you put like 2 or 3 drops on the car diffuser and then your car just smells amazing. But why I love this is because it's going to last for such a long time. Like, you only need a couple of these drops to put on the diffuser and then you just have it in the car smelling amazing. I cannot wait to put this in my car. I am just so grateful to my friends and family because, you know, they really spoiled me. I just love, well, I love giving gifts anyway, but opening them is just fun. I've wanted one of these for such a long time, and it's a silk pillowcase so that, you know, it can protect my hair. I wear a, well, it's not even silk, a satin bonnet, which helps quite a bit, but an actual silk pillowcase so I can just be there, which is my natural hair. I can't wait to use this. Like, I'm really so excited to use this and start a little collection. Also get some like silk scrunchies, silk hairbands, and start my collection of silk products. A company called Lily Silk, which I will link down below. The packaging's really cute as well. It came like this. I'll link this down below because before this the only silk place that I knew was Silk. What it's called, but like it's just very expensive, so I'm grateful for this. My 2 most exciting presents that I got. So one is I got slides. I got Yeezy slides. I have been wanting these for so long. Thank you so much to my best friend, my sister, and my boyfriend for buying these for me, because basically Yeezy slides are £50 and they do raffles for them and they keep doing them and I never win the raffle. Resale price is just like double or triple, which is just crazy, but I'm so grateful that I got them. I literally put them on and I just want to live in these basically. So I got this colour, I don't know what this colour is called, but the comfort, they are so comfortable. I literally love them so much and I'm so grateful. They just feel incredible. Like, yeah, I'm about to be living in these. I am really about to be living in these. We got a little Louis V moment. Beautiful things come in small packages. I really wanted a new card holder, so I was gifted a little Louis Vuitton card holder, which I love. I currently have one from Ted Baker and it's tired. It is very tired. Also, I'd be squashing so many cards in, but now I have this. I definitely never use a purse, so having a cute card holder is just like the perfect gift for me. So yeah, it's like black and then they're monoprint. This can fit quite a few cards. It has like 2 holes here and then like about 4 here, so this will actually fit quite a few cards, which I'm happy about because I'll be having a lot of cards. Like, do you have your loyalty card with us? I have everybody's loyalty card. Yes, let me just get it. Collecting my little points and offers, rewards, whatever. Everybody that knows me knows how much I love Zara, so I actually got a couple of Zara gift cards. Zara at the moment is not giving. It's not giving. I think it's because like they're doing the sale. They have like the January sales, Boxing Day sales, everything's just on sale, but I don't care about the sale. I just want to see the new in. From Zara I was gifted the Magnificently Dubai perfume. I actually just bought this myself and it smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. But this is like the perfect size to like just chuck in my bag and have with me, take on the go. But it just smells so amazing. My little sister is so cute. This year I told her that I wanted to make like a travel makeup kit, like makeup that I only take away for like going away. The same as brushes, because I keep taking like my main makeup and then it gets lost or just all over the place basically. So she basically helped me to start my little travel makeup kit. So she got me the Huda Beauty Baby Baking Powder. I have wanted to try this for so long, so I'm really excited to try that. I don't know if she was supposed to give me this. This might be hers. Is this yours, Hannah? Let us know. She got me a nice mascara and my all-time favorite concealer of life, which is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Retouch Concealer. I love it. The shade that I get is 410. This is amazing. So she also got me some makeup brushes to start me off with my little travel kit, which is so cute, so thank you so much. I am redoing my dressing room, or like I've changed it around, which is why this is different to the usual setup. And I was gifted this amazing, like, I think it's a candle holder, but I just love it. I'm gonna use it to decorate the table, the little side table, some candles. It's gonna look super cute. This feels amazing as well. I literally love it. This is so cute. Got these stunning sunnies. I'm not gonna try them on because I don't want to put makeup on them, but I need a holiday. Get me on holiday. I literally love them so. Oh, the colour, the thickness, everything about them. I'm so happy with these. I love the Eyebrow Sculpt, the clear Eyebrow Sculpt, and I have been putting this on all my little Christmas lists and birthday lists, hoping that somebody would buy it for me because I needed a re-up and my bestie. So thank you so much, Olivia, for this, because mine was running out and I definitely need a new one. I just love the way it fake laminates the brows. The last thing I'm going to show is this Fenty Skin. So it is a mini duo of the mini cleanser and the toner serum duo. The mini cleanser is amazing. I've used this before and I absolutely love it. So I'll be putting this in my little makeup kit. Thank you to my friends and family. I appreciate it. And I'll list some of the things below in case anyone wants to know where they're from or wants to give someone. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!